Hello there, this is Sifcat. This video is Augmented Reality Full Course 3rd episode. If you haven't watched my first two episodes, I have provided its link in my video description. Check that right now. In this video, we're gonna introduce about Reality Composer app. Reality Composer is a powerful tool that's easy to handle interactive AR experience with no prior 3D experience. It converts 3D models to USDAZ so it seems like a tool and on AR-enabled iPhone and iPad devices. Actually, this live linking can rapidly move from Mac and iPhone or Mac and iPad to create stunning AR experience. So this video is all about it and we're gonna install Reality Composer in iPhone. So let's check that out right now. Let's start doing in iPhone. So first of all, what you want to do here is go and search in your iPhone for inside the App Store, and inside the App Store you can find there a search option. So inside the search option, search for Reality Composer app. Let's make much more space. So the search results will be having a list of apps, and you may find there are apps like AR with Augmented Reality, AR Composer. So I'm going to install here Reality Composer app, which is provided by Apple itself. It's a powerful tool actually, and that's an app which we can install in iPhone or iPad devices, even in Mac. So here I just installed my Reality Composer app. So you can find here a plus button. So to create a project, first of all they asked me to choose an anchor, so I choose horizontal. And inside this, what I need to do here is there is a default object which is provided already inside the app, so I'm going to delete that. You can click that and go for an option and delete. You just click on the object and there will be options. You can delete the object from that. From here you can have a plus button and go for search for an object. There are a lot of objects you can find here, like baked goods, fruits, meals, 3D models, even though events, chess. Actually, they have shapes, they have polls, games. So I'm gonna select here an object which I need to place it over inside this AR view. So let's choose about signs. So I have selected a sign from there, and here you can find there's a sign over there. There is an option in the settings. There you can, if you click there, you can move. If you click in this settings, this will be appearing at the, like, say we can change the look about a rectangle, double sign, all these stuffs. I just changed the width as well. You can also change the height instead. This will increase the height, and the pole height is the height which is for the pole. And you can change the background color or the look color. There's an option for the text as well, so you can change the text. At the moment it's having capital A and E, so I'm gonna type there, let's say hey AR. It'll be like that. And there's other options like to scale the text and all these stuffs. We have participants, which is nothing but you can add an object into that which can have a physical contact or not. And accessibility enables, this is for our labels to add more features about the second option, which is be the participants, all these things. We will discuss more detail about that later in the upcoming episode. We just gonna make a basic introduction about this AR Reality Composer app to make a normal base object and see what it does inside. Alright, so just move a little bit and scroll there. So let it be like this. Next, what I'm going to do here is I can click here. If I click this play button, it's just gonna play for a while, but there's another option which is called AR. If I click there, there's a camera will be open in my device. So I'm going to click this AR and see. What's it does? It's asking to continue to move iPhone randomly and just keep on moving my iPhone. Here you go, this move iPhone to start. Alright, here I have the object which I made. It's nothing but it's a AR which I have made it tall, and it's appearing in my camera. It's a simple app, you don't need to have a basic experience in coding. So that's all. And if I click the plus button again, it will go for another project to choose an anchor with horizontal, vertical, whatever options you need, like. And then there are a bunch of objects, so we can select from that. And in the next episode, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pull out some game or an object, and let's make a physical contact between each other, and we'll check much more bigger about an AR and reality composer in the upcoming episode. So that's all in this video, and thank you for watching. Thank you, lads. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.